GTC was amazing. Booth traffic was amazing. At some points it was overwhelming. We had a great opportunity to meet quite a few customers to discuss the complexity of networking. There are a lot of challenges, and they're coming to Netris to find an answer.
So we had 2 sessions. We were sharing from our experience of deploying. Both sessions were packed, a lot of people interested, a lot of good questions. It's been exciting GTC for us. So GTC is this amazing place. We met with our partners such as Rafay, vCluster, Red Hat, Spectro Cloud, Mirantis, and some others that we are working on.
NVIDIA GTC is like a Super Bowl for AI. What's amazing about GTC is we're building the future of AI, the future for AI infrastructure, which really powers this innovation. And that's what Netris and partners and NVIDIA are building together.